The chroma key and remove background options have been moved inside the newest version of CapCut. They are now in the cutout section. Tap cutout to access these features. This photo has a white background and it needs to be removed. So before I shrink it down and place it in the left hand corner, I'll tap where it says cutout. Then I'll choose chroma key. I'll select the white color by moving the color picker over the white. And I'll turn up the intensity by tapping on intensity and moving the slider to the right until the white background disappears and I'm left with just the Photos app icon. Once you've done this, you can shrink it down and place it wherever you want. I'm going to shrink it down and place it in the bottom left-hand corner. Make sure that the borders appear white. That way you know you've got your images right in the corner of your thumbnails. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.